Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great. Welcome to this new video on Bitcoin and the markets a little bit. What I like to do is also talk about the markets as a whole, because Bitcoin at the moment, I would say, is pretty boring. Yesterday we did make some new all-time highs as expected, and that is also still my expectation for today. All right, so just to spoiler alert, tell you what I think. I think we are still bullish and that we're slowly grinding up until we actually get some sort of a blow-off top, all right? So some sort of a liquidation spike like we had, for example, right here. Then we'll consolidate for a bit and then we will pull back. That's overall what I expect for Bitcoin, which I've said for the last couple of days, right? So there not much has changed. But excuse me. We'll talk about Bitcoin, but overall, if you take a look at the markets right now, I think most of the opportunities are not with Bitcoin. Right now, Ethereum is very strong. Ethereum Beta is doing quite well. Solana is very strong. Like there's a ton of opportunities outside of Bitcoin that, in my eyes, look much better, and that's also shown with the Bitcoin dominance, which has dropped down a lot. From around 61%. So as long as this stays bearish, I think holding Bitcoin is fine, but trading it, not so much. I mean, oh, there I go. Excuse me. Not so much. But if in general, if you look at Bitcoin right here, if we go to the 1 hour time frame, look, this is still bullish, right? There's nothing else you can say on the 1 hour time frame. We have never really broken the structure yet. As you can see, every time we broke out above a previous resistance level, so for example, right here, 74,500, every time we broke out, we actually managed to hold it. Next time was kind of right here, 65,500, broke above that, or reclaimed it, held it. And now our main level right here is 67,300, broke above that, holding it. Now that doesn't mean that it's illegal to drop down below a level like that. That's fine. I mean, this is the 1 hour time frame, right? So even if we drop down into 75,000 here, I would say we are still very bullish. But therefore, looking at that and then also looking at the open interest, look, Bitcoin is just kind of flattening out a little bit, and we're coming closer and closer to some sort of a local top here, I think. If you look at some other statistics, what you can see is that the volume is also dropping down, still very high, but decreasing. So we're losing some momentum. Which is again also confirmed by the open interest we just looked at. And when I look at the other capital markets, like when I take a look at the S&P, the Russell 2000 and the Nasdaq, especially the S&P looks pretty close to topping out locally at least as well, which is going to have a bearish effect on Bitcoin as well. So I think both fundamentally and technically here for Bitcoin, the top is coming. But for now, especially also looking at the strength of the rest of the market, for now I would still say that what I said for the last 2 days as well is still correct. And that is that we will slowly grind up until we get some sort of a blow-off top, potentially tomorrow, potentially Monday. Those are usually pretty good time periods to get price action like that. But get something like that, and then we will pull back. And then I will try to keep you updated on that as well as I can. I think it's a little bit too early to talk about it for now, but ultimately, I mean, if you look at the 12-hour time frame, this level right here between 73 and 71, I would say, that would be the main pullback area if we want to stay bullish. But like I said, I'll still keep you updated on that in the future. So don't worry about that too much for now. For now, that's what you need to know. You need to have a great weekend as well. So I want to wish you all a great weekend. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.